everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in Amazon Music account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar and type in music.amazon.com, press enter. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Amazon Music, or instead of that you can also open the Amazon Music application if you want. Once you open Amazon Music, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to sign in to your account, right over here you'll be able to find the option for sign in. All you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the sign in interface of Amazon. So in order to sign in to your Amazon Music, what you have to do is enter the credentials of your Amazon account. So first of all, what you have to do is enter your email or mobile phone number in this interface. So simply click on this field and enter your email or mobile phone number. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your password. Simply enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option forget password. After that you'll be able to reset it. Now after you enter the password, click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be signed into your Amazon Music account. Now you'll be able to listen to music, podcast, etc. So that is how you sign in Amazon Music account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.